If you want to make your own body wash so you can smell good, but smell good naturally, no chemicals, stay tuned and I'll show you 2 different recipes for body wash. Hey, I'm Sherry and this is Buddy, top dog of Lucky Dog Creations. Hello friends, today we're going to be doing another DIY project. This time it's going to be homemade body wash. Again, it'll be all natural, no chemicals. Let's get started, shall we? The first thing that we're going to add is 1/2 cup Castile soap. Castile soap has natural lathering and it's all natural, so 1/2 cup of Castile soap. Next, we're going to be adding 2 tablespoons of fractionated coconut oil. Coconut oil stays in the liquid form and it is quickly absorbed into the skin to moisturize. It's not greasy and it's also an antioxidant. And I am using the Premium Nature fractionated coconut oil. 2 tablespoons of that. Next, we'll be using 2 tablespoons of glycerin. Glycerin bonds with water to moisturize. It is excellent for treating dry skin and nourishes it. It heals it and enhances its appearance. 2 tablespoons of glycerin. Next will be 1 tablespoon olive oil. Olive oil is extra moisturizing. It nourishes the skin and you won't have to moisturize after you're taking your shower. So 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And then we have 1 tablespoon of vitamin E oil. Vitamin E is an antioxidant and it defends against free radicals. 1 tablespoon of vitamin E. And then we'll go ahead and mix that all together, slowly mixing it so the Castile soap don't lather too much. We'll save that for the shower. And the last ingredient is 30 drops of citrus essential oils. Now you can use whatever essential oils you would like, but citrus does have good properties for the skin. Citrus essential oils will give you a vibrant complexion and it reduces the appearance of cellulite. It has a tighten and toning astringent that reduces the amount of oil production in the skin. Now I'm going to be using orange, lemon, and grapefruit, and I'm going to be using 10 drops each. So 10 drops of grapefruit, ten drops of lemon, and 10 drops of orange. And then go ahead and give it another stir. Make sure it's fully incorporated. And that's all the ingredients. And we'll go ahead and put this in an amber pump bottle. Now we're using amber because that'll help keep the UV rays out and destroying the essential oil. It's always best to use glass, but if you're going to be in the shower, I think this would be the next best thing. So I'll go ahead and put that in there and show you the finished product. Here is the finished product, citrus body wash. Now I ended up making 1.5 batches of this because this is an 8-ounce bottle and it made about 2/3 of the bottle with the first batch. So I had a little bit left over after this. So 1.69 ounces, I made a little travel size body wash as well. And you can take that with you when you go on your trips. And next we'll be making another body wash. All right, so the next body wash we're going to use is going to be a rose body wash. And we're going to be using 1/2 cup shea butter. We're going to use 1/2 cup almond oil and 1 cup Castile soap and 10 drops of rose oil. Now the first thing we're going to do is microwave the shea butter. Shea butter moisturizes, it soothes skin allergies, it soothes sunburns and rashes, promotes wound healing, contains vitamin E to keep the skin healthy. And I'm going to go and microwave this now. Okay, so the shea butter is fully melted, and I just melted it at 10-second increments so not to burn it. And I'm going to go ahead and dump it in the bowl here. And then next I'm going to go ahead and add 1/2 cup of almond oil in with the melted shea butter. Now almond oil nourishes the skin and makes it glow, moisturizes, and it loosens the dead skin cells, and it soothes inflammation. And then I'm going to add 1 cup of Castile soap, and this is what makes it lather, and it is all natural, no chemicals. And I'm going to go ahead and add that in there. And you want to make sure that you gently stir it so it doesn't lather up, just so it mixes. And then I'm going to add 10 drops of the rose oil. And again, go ahead and stir until it's fully incorporated. And that is all the ingredients. And then I'm going to go ahead and put it in an 8-ounce amber bottle. Now I use amber because that will keep out the UV rays out and not destroy the essential oils. It is best to use glass whenever you use essential oils, but in the bath I think this would work okay. I'm going to just pour this in the bottle. Right, and then I'll show you the finished product. And here is the Rose Body Wash. This is an 8-ounce jar. One batch made 8 ounces plus a 3-ounce travel size. It smells really, really good. I can't wait to take a shower tonight. And both of these body washes have about 1 year shelf life, so you'll have plenty of time to use it up before you have to make some more. I do want to show you some different body wash recipes, but I will save that for another day. Here is the finished product. Citrus. And I overfilled it just a little bit. If you like this video, please subscribe. Hit the bell so you can get notices of my future videos. Thumbs up, thumbs down, comments and suggestions are always welcome. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.